Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
problem?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good morning.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
We
sir.
have,
आवाज आ रही है सर.
Yes, sir. आ रही है
okay,
आवाज.
okay, thank you. Now, let's start our class, right? Uh, so, today I will again discuss the things which I have been teaching, I have taught you yesterday. Okay, I will discuss the same things which on the screen which I have taught you yesterday, right? Yesterday I was teaching you the how coal has been formed. Okay, means how fossil fuel. Either you say the coal, or you say either you say coal or you say fossil fuel. So we will discuss how coal has been formed, right? How fossil fuel has been formed. Okay, so long year ago, I'm saying long year ago, it's not a matter of one day or 2 day or of 1 year. I'm saying a long year ago, means 500 years or maybe 1000 years ago. All the living beings, including small, large, plant, animal, all they got buried inside the earth. All they got buried inside the earth, and by the action of heat and pressure, they have been converted into coal or into the fossil fuel. Though this process is called carbonization. What is carbonization? Because the process of conversion of living being into coal by the process of heat and by the process of heat and pressure. This is called carbonization. I hope it is clear to you. Let me write here. Okay. So this is called carbonization, the process of conversion of living things into coal. This is called carbonization. ना चल रहा है. This is called carbonization. Okay, this is called carbonization. Okay, I hope you got it. Let's start. See, this is the answer here. How have fossil fuel been formed? Okay, long year ago. What I am saying here, you can see here, long year ago. Okay, long year ago, living being, including plants and animal, all living beings, including plant and animal. Okay, including plant and animal. सब पकड़ा हुआ तो है. Including plant and animal. They got buried inside. They got buried inside the earth, and by the action of heat and pressure, by the action of heat and pressure, they got converted to the fossil fuel. And this process of conversion, this is called carbonization. This is called carbonization. I hope you have understood it. Okay, so let's proceed to the, if you have any more problem in understanding this topic, the carbonization, you can raise your hand. Okay, you can raise your hand. Any problem to anybody? If you have any problem, please raise your hand in understanding this topic. Anybody of you, if you have any problem, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand if you have any problem. To anybody? All of you have understood it? Okay, pretty well. Now the next question is, let's proceed to the next question. Okay, the next question is, please stop your annotation. It is not a good habit. It is not good habit. When source of energy is said to be renewable source of energy. Renewable source of energy. When the source of energy is said to be renewable source of energy. Mind it here. If you wish to answer, you can raise your hand. You can raise your hand. The energy whose loss is compensated, or whose the energy or energy whose used can be regained, which whose use be restored, whose use can be restored. This is okay. The energy whose loss can be compensated, or energy whose use can be restored, whose use ऑब्लिक यहाँ पर अगर हम लिखेंगे loss can be restored. Okay, and that which is available free of cost. Free of cost is called renewable source of energy. Is called a renewable source of energy. Example of the renewable source of energy, you can write example solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Next, any problem to anybody in understanding this? किसी को कोई दिक्कत समझने में? किसी को कोई दिक्कत? अगर किसी को कोई दिक्कत है, I hope this topic is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir या no sir?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ गया? The energy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. यहाँ पर एक चीज हम और डाल देंगे, एक चीज और यहाँ पर डाल देंगे, which can be restored or which can be renewed. Or which can be renewed again and again, and which can be available free of cost. You can see here I have written, or here I have written, और यहाँ भी है, ठीक है, और यहाँ पर हमारा एंड है, ठीक है. It's called renewable energy. ठीक है, बात समझ में आ गई होगी? कोई दिक्कत किसी को? ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत? किसी को कोई दिक्कत? कोई दिक्कत? चलो तन्वी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. तन्वी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. बोलो. बोलो तन्वी. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. चलो अब अनम्यूट नहीं करेगी तो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स प्रोसीड. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, व्हेन द सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी इज सेड टू बी.
सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
अब आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. अब मेरा आवाज देखो, पूछ लो तुम और सबसे. हमारा हमेशा रोज का प्रॉब्लम यही रहता है. Am I audible? Am I audible?
सर आपकी आवाज सही से आती है.
चलो ठीक है. चलो next. Let's. When a source of energy is said to be non-renewable source of energy. I hope you all should answer this question. ये तुम लोग को बोलना चाहिए कि हम उसको नॉन रिन्यूएबल कब कहेंगे, बताओ कौन बताएगा इसको? When this can be said as the non-renewable, please raise your hand. Those student who wishes to answer this question, please raise your hand. Student who wishes to answer this question, please raise your hand. Those who wish to answer, please raise your hand. Raise your hand. Om Sarkar, unmute yourself. Om Sarkar, unmute yourself. बताओ ओम सरकार. Om Sarkar, please unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me when energy can be said as a non-renewable source of energy.
Energy can be said as a non-renewable source of energy when we cannot use that energy. When we cannot use the energy again and again.
Okay. So when it can be said as a non-renewable, anybody else? Anybody else? Raise your hand. Avantika, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, the source of energy which cannot be used again and again or which cannot be reused is called non-renewable source of energy.
Okay. The answer will be the source of energy which cannot be used again and again is called non-renewable source of energy. What could be the example of this? The example of non-renewable source of energy.
Sir,
Petrol.
Example. There may be the any fossil fuel. You can fossil fuel. Okay, fossil fuels, wood, etc. ठीक है, वो सारा इसमें आ जाएगा. All the fossil fuels, they are the example of non-renewable source of energy. Okay, now we should move to the next question. Okay, next question, whatever it is. I don't know what the question is here. What is the first question? Will anybody read it? Fourth question, which is how coal is used by powerhouses for generating electricity. Okay, this is question. How coal is used by powerhouses to generate coal is used by the powerhouses to generate electricity. And the last question is what should effort need to made to reduce the use of fossil fuel. Okay, the next question which we will discuss, what should be the effort? What should be the effort? What should be effort? What should effort needed to? What should effort needed to? What should effort needed to be made to reduce the use of power supply, reduce the use of fossil fuel, reduce the use of fossil fuel. reduce the use of fossil fuels. Okay, so its answer will be. So first we will discuss. First here we will discuss this question: how coal is used by the powerhouse to generate electricity? So how coal is used by the powerhouse? Okay, how coal is how coal is used by powerhouse to generate electricity? Okay, coal produce heat. Okay, what coal produce? By the burning of coal. पहले कोई बता सकता है?
Yes, sir.
कोई जवाब दे सकता है तो हाथ उठाओ.
Yes, sir.
If you wish to answer, raise your hand. If you wish to answer, please raise your hand. To answer, please raise your hand.
Yes.
First to Natik. Oh, unmute your Natik. Unmute your Natik. ओम सरकार.
Yes, sir.
बताओ. अवंतिक.
Coal is used by the
Unmute.
powerhouses.
अवंतिका.
The
बोलो.
powerhouse burn coal to convert
बोलो,
water
बोलो.
into steam. The steam generate the turbines which
Okay.
produce electricity.
Okay. चलो once again. फिर से बोलो. Coal. Coal
Powerhouse
is
burn
used to. चलो ठीक है, पावर हाउस से ही शुरू करते हैं. चलो बोलो. पावर हाउस.
powerhouse burn coal
Coal. Okay.
to convert water
To
steam.
convert water into steam. Okay. And steam, this steam is used to. बोलो. आगे बोलो. This steam is used to. आगे बोलो.
Generate turbines which produce electricity.
No, generate या rotate.
Sir, rotate.
What will rotate? Which is this turbine. This steam is used to rotate turbine. Turbine which produces electricity. I hope it is clear to you. सबको समझ में आ गया होगा. How it is used to. सबको समझ में आ गया.
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है. किसी को कोई दिक्कत? किसी को कोई दिक्कत बताओ.
No, sir.
किसी को कोई दिक्कत?
No, sir. No, sir. No,
Okay.
no, sir.
चलो ठीक है.
No, sir. Hello.
So next, what should effort needed to be made to reduce the what should be the effort needed to reduce the use of fossil fuel? I will be back. Wait 1 minute. What should be the effort? क्या effort use करना पड़ेगा? बताओ. What should be the effort? What should be the effort made to बताओ. ओम सरकार, unmute yourself. ओम सरकार, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. What should be the
Yes, sir.
effort? बताओ, what should be the effort?
Sir, effort needed to make the reduce of the fossil fuels is to using we can reduce the effort by using electricity instead of the fossil fuels like coal in our daily uses.
Do you think your answer is quite correct? Do you think? चलो और कोई बोलेगा? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पर डिपेंड होने से क्या फॉसिल फ्यूल पर डिपेंडेंसी कम जाएगी? सोचो फिर से. थिंक ऑफ योरसेल्फ वंस अगेन. तुम बोल रहे हो कि फॉसिल, मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि फॉसिल फ्यूल के यूज को कम करना कैसे करेंगे? ठीक है, माय क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू रिड्यूस द यूज ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल. ठीक है, तुम बोल रहे हो कि हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का यूज करेंगे तो फॉसिल फ्यूल पर डिपेंडेंसी कम जाएगी. ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं और लोग क्या बोलते हैं. तन्वी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. तन्वी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
सर एक बार और क्वेश्चन बोल दीजिए.
क्वेश्चन बुक में देख लो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ऑफ ई. ठीक है, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ठीक है, ये
सर
क्वेश्चन नंबर.
हिंदी में थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिएगा.
हिंदी में? व्हाई इन हिंदी? What effort will you make to reduce the use of fossil fuel? What? You don't have to, as you know that the fossil fuels are in very limited amount. Okay, fossil fuels are very limited. So what effort you will make to conserve the fossil fuel? Fossil fuel को conserve करने के लिए कौन सा काम करोगे? क्या करोगे? बताओ. फॉसिल फ्यूल को कंजर्व करने के लिए कौन सा काम करोगे? बताओ. एनीबॉडी एल्स हु विशेस टू आंसर? ये तो बहुत इजी सवाल है. कोल का कंजम्पशन कम करने के लिए आप क्या काम कीजिएगा? ऐसा कोई प्रोसेस बताओ, कोई तरीका बताओ जिससे कोल का कंजम्पशन कम जाए. बताओ, टेल मी. कोल का, अरे हम लोग बैटरी का, सोलर चार्जेबल बैटरी का यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, हम लोग विंड एनर्जी का यूज करेंगे. Instead of using petrol car, we will use a solar chargeable solar car. Okay, instead of using cooking gas or the cooking coal, we will use solar cooker or we will use biogas. Okay, we will use biogas. Okay, so next, instead of using अभी और भी बताओ. दो तो हम तुमको बता दिए. ठीक है, दो तो हम बता दिए. I hope I have made you clear about the two situations. पहला तो हम बता दिए, दो फॉसिल फ्यूल, एक कोल और दूसरा पेट्रोलियम होता है. ठीक है, कोल और पेट्रोलियम होता है. तो कोल की डिपेंडेंसी को हम कैसे कम करेंगे? बाय यूजिंग बायोगैस, बाय यूजिंग सोलर कुकर. ओके, so thus we will reduce the dependency of the coal. Now how will you reduce the dependency on petrol and diesel? Okay, we can use the solar chargeable car, we can use solar chargeable bikes, automobiles. Okay, so this is how we have reduced the dependency. Now I have already explained you two effort. अब अगर तुम्हारे दिमाग में भी अगर और भी कुछ आ रहा है, अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का हम यूज करते हैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा, तो थर्मल पावर से स्टेशन से आ रहा है, वहां भी कोल जल रहा है. ठीक है, तो इंस्टेड ऑफ वेस्टिंग इलेक्ट्रिक, वी शुड save the electricity. We should save the electricity. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का हम लोग को जुडिशियस यूज करना चाहिए. ठीक है, ये हमारा होना चाहिए. और उसके बाद विंड एनर्जी का यूज करना चाहिए. ये सब है. और अगर किसी के पास कोई आइडिया है तो बताओ. इफ यू हैव एनी आइडिया, if you have any idea, Ansika. Any idea? नो आइडिया। चलो ठीक है, ये हो गया। अब इसको हम लोग लेट्स टेक इट डाउन। ओके, व्हाट पेट्रोल को ही बचाना चाहिए। व्हाट आंसर, व्हाट विल बी इट्स आंसर? इट्स आंसर विल बी we can reduce our dependency on coal and LPG by using by using by using solar cooker and by using biogas. Okay, second point, we can reduce our dependency on petrol and diesel by using solar car or solar automobile. Okay, and instead of we need to conserve petrol, diesel, okay, petrol, diesel, etc by adopting alternative methods like we can pool car, okay, like we can pool car, or we can use we can we can generate solar energy to our usable extent This is how we can conserve the petrol. This is how we can conserve the petrol. This is how we can conserve the petrol and diesel. Okay, I hope this would be clear to you. If you have any problem, you can answer, you can raise your hand. If you have any problem, you can raise your hand. इस सारे सवाल में सेक्शन ई पेज नंबर 95 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 में अगर किसी को भी अगर समझ में नहीं आया है, इन पर्सनली you can raise your hand. I will make you understand. If you have any problem, please raise your hand. If you have any problem, please raise your hand. In personal, if you have any problem, please raise your hand. Unmute yourself. Om Sarkar, tell me. If you have any problem, please raise your hand. 10 minutes is left. If you have any problem, please let me know. Okay. I will be waiting for the 2 minutes. If you don't raise the hand, I will proceed further. किसी को अगर कोई दिक्कत है तो अपना हाथ उठाओगे, ठीक है? उसके बाद हम प्रोसीड करेंगे। चलो, ऐसा लगता है कि और कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है? तो we will come to page number 96. Okay, now value based question. There is, before value based question, something to do. Make a poster on the energy saved today. I am closing it. Okay, I am closing it, and I will be okay. Let's see the next. So what you have to do? what we have to do, something to do, you have to make a poster, make a poster, make a poster on topic, make a poster on topic, energy saved today is the energy for tomorrow. Okay, energy saved today is the energy for tomorrow. Okay, so this is on this you have to make the poster. This is the topic, all the this is the topic, energy saved today is the energy for tomorrow. You have to design a very beautiful poster on this topic. Okay, and as well the second work which you have to do, you have to make a presentation on wind energy and its practical uses. What can be the use of, what can be the use of wind energy? Okay, what can be the use of wind energy? Show it with the help of presentation. Show it with a help of presentation. Presentation or by making your own video. By making your own video. Okay, you can, what can be the use of wind energy? You can show it with the help of presentation or by making your own video. Then collect information about the following. Next is collect information about the following and discuss it with your classmate. What is meant by the mileage of a vehicles? Now, what you need, next thing, you will do these two things first. Okay, first you will do these two things and you will send on my WhatsApp. Okay, you will send it on my WhatsApp. Okay, and by and now this is the completion. If you have completion of the class for today, class is going to be finished. If you have any more problem, you can ask value based question. We will do it tomorrow, and by tomorrow this chapter will be finished. If you have any problem, you are free to ask. If you have any problem, you are free to ask. If you have any problem, raise your hand. I will unmute you. Yes, unmute yourself, Ayush. Ayush, unmute yourself.
सर साइंस में कितना चैप्टर तक पढ़ा दिया गया है?
तो तुम ना बताओगे, तुम कितना पढ़ाई किए हो ये बताओ।
सर पढ़ाई तो आगे तक की है लेकिन लिखे हैं चैप्टर 6 तक ओनली।
आप ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पर आप ऐसा करो, ठीक है, you go to the YouTube. Okay, you go to YouTube. You can see here I am showing you. Okay, like this, without giving any space, you will write here and then you will click on search. Okay, okay, you can see here, this is, you see this, okay, this is, you need to subscribe it, you need to subscribe it, you need to open it. इसको ऐसे करके ओपन कर लो, ठीक है, you will get all things which have been, you click on this. When you will click on this, go to, you see here it is playlist. Okay, you see here it is playlist. You click on this, and when you will click on this, you can see here online class of, here it is online class of class 5. Okay, you click on this, you will get all the videos which I have taught. Okay, I hope it is clear
Okay,
to
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
You will do like this. I hope it is clear. और
Yes,
कोई
sir.
प्रॉब्लम क्या
No,
है
sir.
बोलो?
सर कोई
चलो
प्रॉब्लम
ठीक है.
नहीं है.
तो चलो किसी को और कोई प्रॉब्लम? और किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम?
नो सर.
और किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम?
नो सर. नो सर.
चलो ठीक है, तो क्लास को ओवर करें.
सर यस सर.
बोलो.
सर आप जो प्रोजेक्ट अभी बनाने के लिए थे वो आज शाम तक भेजना है.
भेज दो.
ओके सर.
चलो ठीक है. ओके बाय.